Hi everyone. Today is a beautiful day here in Ao Nang, in southern Thailand, and we're heading out for something really exciting. We're going to check out a snake show, where we'll get to see a real King Cobra up close. Our trip includes transportation, so we don't have to worry about a thing. The driver picks us up right at our hotel. After a few minutes, we arrive at Krabi Snake Park, and right at the entrance, we're greeted by a smiling guide. She takes us on a tour of the park, shows us the first snakes, and tells us a few interesting things about how they live here and how the staff handle them.
Busy.
But my boss and two Cobra men, no help me also working here.
Yes.
Okay. Jumping snake. That's a jumping snake. That's now he changes the skin.
Can I? Yeah.
Yes, you can hold.
In Thailand, there is an incredible variety of snakes. Over 200 species have been identified across the country. A significant number of these are venomous, with some sources reporting 60 to 70 venomous species.
Like friendly, really are no friendly.
The rest are non-venomous snakes, which are mostly harmless to humans, and many of them you won't even see because they live deep in the jungles or remote areas. This is a black cobra. It has a dark, almost black coloration, sometimes with white stripes or markings. Adults typically grow to 1 to 1.2 meters, and can reach up to 1.6 meters. This fascinating cobra is known for its ability to spit venom at an enemy's eyes from a distance of 2 to 3 meters, a defensive mechanism that makes it a truly formidable creature. The Krabi Snake Park and King Cobra show is usually open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. A full visit, including walking around the park to see the snakes and watching the main Cobra show, typically takes about 1 hour. Here you can see a python. It lives freely in Thailand, mostly near rivers and in mangroves. It can grow up to around 5 meters long, and even though it's not venomous, it's incredibly strong. It kills its prey by wrapping around it and squeezing. Better to admire it from a safe distance.
They have a lot of the teeth. Yes. You can see again.
Here you can see a King Cobra. It's the longest venomous snake in the world. It can grow over 5 meters. You can find it in Thailand, mostly in forests and near water. Its venom is extremely powerful, but it usually avoids people. Definitely a snake you want to watch from a safe distance. Here you can see a water snake. These snakes live mostly near rivers, ponds, and rice fields. They can stay underwater for a long time. They even draw air into their throat to breathe while hunting fish and frogs. They often hide during the day and are active at night. Here you can see a mangrove snake. These snakes mainly live in mangrove forests and coastal areas of Thailand. Here you can see a banded crate. It's a highly venomous snake with striking black and yellow bands, found in Thailand mostly near fields and wetlands. Here you can see a reticulated python. It has a massive body and sometimes a yellowish golden coloration with dark patterns. Here you can see 3 small banded vipers. They live in Thailand mostly in forests and near fields. They're venomous. There are several types of pythons in Thailand. The most famous is the reticulated python, which can grow over 5 meters long. There's also the Burmese python and the smaller blood python. They're not venomous, but strong enough to take down large prey.
You want to take photo again or?
People often think snakes are slimy. In reality, their skin is dry, smooth, and soft to the touch. This man lost a few fingers after being bitten by a king cobra. Doctors had to amputate them to stop the venom from spreading. Without anti-venom, a person can die in less than 30 minutes. And now comes the main part. The snake show itself. These are king cobras. The longest venomous snakes in the world. They can grow up to 5.5 meters. They can lift their bodies high enough to look a person straight in the eyes. Their venom is strong enough to kill an elephant. And unlike most snakes, they hunt other snakes. What you're watching right now is really dangerous. This man knows snakes well and understands how they react. Never try this yourself, it could cost you your life.
Okay. Yeah, come.
Can view the poison in the cat is.
The snake bites into the container and releases its venom. In this snake park, they collect it regularly and send it to the hospital, where it's used to produce anti-venom. That anti-venom then saves the lives of people who've been bitten.
What do you do with the poison? Send it to hospital?
Yes, antidote.
Wow.
This is a python. It doesn't have venomous fangs, but dozens of sharp, needle-like
shit.
teeth it uses to grip its prey, and then slowly constricts it.
He got bit.
Here you can see the python wrapping itself around a tourist's leg. Its grip is really strong.
Seems like a Thai massage.
Thai massage. I like it.
Be careful sometimes for you too now.
And that's the end of the show.
Happy in the show, you can have some.
There's also a small souvenir shop in the area. You can find snake-themed t-shirts, snake cosmetics, and lots of little gifts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if you'd like more tips on interesting places to visit in Thailand. Thanks for watching, and we'll be heading off together again soon for another adventure.